Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to turn your own website into an internal chatbot using NotebookLM. It's a method that anyone can do easily and finish in just 10 minutes. This time, I'll use the Chiang Mai Long Stay Life Club website, or CLL Club for short, as an example and clearly explain each step while showing the actual screen. Even if a website has a lot of information, it can be surprisingly difficult to find exactly what you need. When there are so many pages and you don't know where things are, it often takes a lot of time just to search for the right information. A chatbot is basically a system that automatically answers questions entered by a user. With NotebookLM, you can organize all your website information and quickly find the answers you need, which makes it very convenient. NotebookLM is an AI notebook tool provided by Google. You can import documents and website URLs all in one place, and later just ask questions to quickly pull up the information you need. It's very useful for organizing internal knowledge and making it easier to find information. All right, let's actually build it now. First, log into NotebookLM. Next, add a source and enter the website's URL. Here, don't forget to include not just the homepage URL, but also the necessary side menu URLs. If you only add the homepage URL, you will only be able to use the information from that page. By adding the side menu URLs too, you'll be able to access the information for the entire website. It might take a bit more work, but make sure to include the side menu URLs as well. Once you have all the necessary pages ready, your chatbot will be done in just 10 minutes. In the next slide, I'll explain the actual steps. I'll walk you through each step clearly while showing the NotebookLM screen. One, log in to NotebookLM. Click the Try NotebookLM button. Click the plus Create New button. Two, add a source. Click Website at the bottom of the screen. Four, enter the website URL. Click the Insert button at the bottom right of the screen. Five, click the plus Add button in the Source section on the left side of the screen. Six, click the Website button at the bottom of the screen. Seven, on the Chiang Mai Long Stay Life Club website, CLL Club for short, click About CLL Club under Chiang Mai's Attractions in the sidebar. Copy the address. Eight, enter the sidebar website URL of the new CLL homepage into NotebookLM. Click the Insert button at the bottom right of the screen. Nine, for each page in the side menu, do the same. Click the button, copy the URL, and add it. 7. Click the sidebar button on the CLL Club homepage and copy the address. 8. Paste the copied address into NotebookLM. Finally, click the Insert button. The key point is to make sure you add all the necessary pages from the sidebar from top to bottom. Here's an example of an actual answer from the completed chatbot. When I asked how to get a visa in Chiang Mai, NotebookLM used the information from the website to give a very detailed and accurate response. By creating an internal chatbot with NotebookLM, you can greatly reduce the time spent searching for answers. It also cuts down on employee-to-employee inquiries, making it easier for everyone to find the information they need right away. Updates are simple, so you can always share the latest information. Be sure to take advantage of this to boost your work efficiency. What did you think? In just 10 minutes, it can answer questions just like a regular chatbot. You won't believe you made it yourself. With NotebookLM, anyone can easily give it a try, so be sure to use it with your own website too.